Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to attach your CANYON OnTag 1 to a chain. So take your device, and on top you'll see two dots that we need to put the loop through. So we take our band, our chain, and make a tiny loop right here. Now put it through one hole. Push till you see it through the second hole. Okay, and now I can see it through here. You probably don't. I'll just take a knife to help it get through. Push it a little further. Okay, and I now have it. So take it with your fingers and pull. Now the rest of the chain, pull through the hole here. And that's it. As you can see, it is working. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.